I'm walking home from work, and I found this little bird on the street, and he's alive, but he's hurt. So I'm gonna put him in the park and let him rest and relax, and then maybe he'll be able to fly later. So it's fine because I'm on my way home anyways. But yeah, little guy, it's okay. I'm not gonna leave you on the street and let you get hit by a car. I'm gonna put you over here and you can sit in the bushes until you feel better, okay? I really hope you make it. I hope your wing is not damaged and you don't die or anything, but like I gotta save you. I can't just leave you in the bush. I mean, I can leave you in a bush, but I can't just leave you on the street, okay? No way I'm gonna leave you in the street. I am an animal lover, and I found a poor little bird on my way home, and luckily I'm going through the park on my way home. So I'm gonna put this little guy over in the bushes or over in a grassy area so that he can rest his wings and stuff like that. He was in the sidewalk. I mean, he was over on the street. Someone could have just rolled over him. This way he gets to rest the night, and then tomorrow he can spread his wings and try and fly and all that. So I'm gonna put you right there, buddy. Okay? I'm gonna put you right here. You rest your wings up and then see if you can fly, okay? Have a good life, buddy. Love you. I love animals, so I couldn't leave him. And yeah, before you guys ask, I do have hand sanitizer, okay? I'm gonna wash my hands. I know birds have diseases, but I could not leave him. Okay? I have a heart. Later.